So next up we're going to talk about soil pH, because soil pH is really important for what kind of plants can grow in it. So what you need is a soil pH kit, and you can get those at any nursery or hardware store. And the reason why we need to do this is because I need to find out what nutrients are going to be accessible to my plants. So this is the pH testing kit. So you get a card, you get the little stick, and you get a dye indicator and some sulfate powder. So what you do is you grab a little bit of your soil. You don't need very much, just a little bit like that. Okay, then you grab your dye and you want to soak, so completely mix it in. So just putting it in there. Okay, so it's nice and mixed in. Then what I do is grab the powder. Okay, and you put a liberal amount of the powder on the top of the soil. Make sure it's really soaking in there. Okay, and then we just want to mix that all the way through a bit. Okay, so then you're starting to see a colour on top of this soil, right? So then you grab your card and you look at all the colours around there and you match that colour to the colour on here. So if I match it, it's probably maybe about a 6, between a 6 and a 5.5. So what that does is it tells me that certain plants will like this particular type of soil. So things like camellias and blueberries like the really acid soil. I've also gotten this from the veggie patch, so I might want to include a bit more of dolomite in that soil to bring it up if I want to grow more alkaline loving plants. But all across the garden, different parts of soil will have different pH levels. And I suggest that you do this, you test different parts of your soil, because they all are slightly different. And you can also tell by the types of plants that are growing there anyway. But this is a really good thing to do, a really good practice to do, and then you get to know what kind of soil you have. So it's very simple, that's all you need to do, and test it with your card, and that's it.